Welcome to the Better Than Best Academy, where creativity and personal growth collide. In today's episode, it's just me, solo pod, which is actually how this whole channel got started in the first place. And my personal mission is to help high-performing, high-achieving, creative people like you slow down, to speed up and conquer your fears and unlock your full potential. I put together this ultimate checklist to guide you through this transformational journey. So let's dive in and start living your life you've always dreamed of. Now stay until the end. You got to watch the whole video, because at the end you will get to claim your free gift. It's going to help you go even deeper in finding and getting true freedom from the fears that are stopping you from living your best, most creative, fulfilled life. All right, let's walk through the 5-step process to overcome the fears that are holding you back from your dreams. The first step is you must identify your fears. First, let's identify the fears that are holding you back. Now grab a pen and paper, I'll wait. And I want you to write down everything that scares you or makes you feel uncomfortable. Remember, no fear is too big or too small to be included in this list. All right, step 2, analyze your fears. Now you have your list, it's time to analyze each fear. Ask yourself, why are you afraid of each item on your list? And what's the worst that could happen if you faced it? This will help you gain a better understanding of your fears and of how you're affecting your life. All right, now step 3 is create an action plan. This is my favorite part. I love the implementation and the action. So with a clear understanding of your fears, it's time to create an action plan to conquer them. Break each fear down into a smaller, manageable step and set realistic goals for yourself. Now remember, progress is better than perfection, so focus on taking one step at a time. Remember, 1% better is still better. Step 4 is time to face your fears. Now you have the action plan, it's time to face your fears head on. Start the smallest, most manageable fear first on your list and work your way up. As you conquer each fear, you'll gain a confidence, a momentum to tackle the next one. All right, now the 5th and final step is reflect and celebrate. It's time to throw a party. After you've faced your fears, take some time to reflect on your progress and celebrate your victories. Acknowledge your growth and the newfound confidence you've gained. Remember, every small win is a step closer to unlocking your full potential. Now, I said if you stayed till the end, I would share about this free gift, and now is the time. I've made a 9 questions PDF for you to ask yourself to find and face your fears even deeper than this short teaching encouragement that I wanted to share you today. And that's it. By following this ultimate checklist, you'll be well on your way to conquering your fears and unlocking your full potential. But if you are ready to dive a little deeper, which I'm sure you are, then in the description below, you're going to be able to uncover the hidden barriers that may be holding you back. I have an irresistible free gift for you. I want to introduce to you again this Fear Checklist PDF, an invaluable resource designed to help you explore the 9 questions that will unveil your fears beneath the surface. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes we think the fear that we have, the surface level fear, is the issue, but really it's a much deeper issue that we must unravel and unveil. See, it's a roadmap, this fear checklist. It's a roadmap that will empower you to conquer, confront your doubt, your insecurities, the limitations head on. Each of these 9 questions address a specific area where people commonly lack confidence. This Fear Checklist PDF is your key to unlocking the life of confidence, fulfillment, and self-assurance. By answering these thought-provoking questions, you will gain a deeper understanding of your fears and uncover the hidden obstacles that may be holding you back from living your best life. So if you're ready to embark on a transformational journey of self-discovery, then click the link in the description below and download your free copy of the Fear Checklist PDF. It's a gift from me to you, a valuable resource that will guide you forward towards overcoming the fears and stepping into the true potential, the God calling, the God-sized dream in your life. Don't let fear dictate your life any longer. Embrace this opportunity to explore your fears, conquer them, and unleash the incredible potential within you. Now get your hands on this Fear Checklist PDF today and take your first step towards a life of confidence and empowerment. Thank you again for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with a friend, because for more content and support for personal growth, if you are a creative professional that is looking to go further faster, then I really encourage you to hit that subscribe button, because you won't regret being connected and getting that consistent encouragement that will keep you motivated, keep you inspired to live your best life. Now, as always, friend, I'm praying for you. I love you. Now let's go live better than best as we conquer this week.